Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing Cruise Story. And I know I changed my avatar way too much, okay? I'm sorry. Um okay, cash leader. What? Wait. How do you get that much cash? Winner leaderboards. Whoa. Bro, do you not get sick of this game? Nice. Shop. Probably all Robux. Oh, yeah. Robux.
Wow.
Birds. Just shut up already, birds. Shut up, birds. Okay. Let's just hurry before bridge A, bridge B, bridge C, and bridge D. Everyone wanna enter this one? Come on, people. Come on. Come on, people. Okay. Wow, what kind of cruise is this? It's big. It's nice. But why annoying birds? I'm not turning up my volume for these annoying birds, gosh. Heck, bro. And I don't know why it says I have one win, because I never played this game before. I guess it's like a glitch or something, because I like never played this game before. I mean, does it count as a win if I join this game? Okay. So, ooh, whoa, this cruise is actually awesome. Do we even pay for it? Or like, oh well, free. I'll take free, you know. Or we just stole our parents' money to tell them. Yeah, I stole their credit card to go on this boat, man. Whoa, is that a slide, bro? I'm going on that thing. Oh, wait, before we go up, what's this? Wow, binoculars. Look like they need kind of special coin. Okay, weird. Explore the cruise. Wow. Ooh. Money trees. Buffet. Ooh. Wait, why is there a fork here? I don't know that fork. Don't do anything. That's weird. When we jump, it makes a boing sound. It's weird. More plants. Maybe it'll give us more money. Yay. I think I'll take this bed now. Thank you very much. Okay. Ooh, no, that's upstairs. Why would I say? Ooh. Okay. Danger rifle. Look like this is a power room. Better not mess with it right now. Captain cabin. This is a captain cabin. It's locked. Captain is probably busy. Well, why would it be locked, though? Could have told us. What's this room? Bathroom. Toilet paper. No, get me off the toilet. No, I was looking. No. Okay, whatever. Welcome back. Did you have fun exploring? Maybe if you gave us more time. That is great. That's not great, Jack. Listen to Jack. It's an objective. I'm going to ask for a random item that is hidden somewhere around the cruise. Once you find it, bring it to me. Nice. Okay, I guess everyone's static here for a reason. 15 cruise books? Whoa, how do I have 22? I guess I was on a money hunt. Are you ready? Bring me 4. Wait, was that the one in the buffet? Yeah. That was the one in the buffet. I got it. I'm gonna get 15 cruise bucks. Sure, don't take mine. I bring it to you first. What? No! Man. How well? That's fine. Okay. Next time to bring another item. Bring me a toilet paper. Wait, that's in the bathroom because we saw that. Hint, 2nd floor. Yeah, we know that. It's the bathroom. Oh no, these guys are ahead of me. No. No. Okay, whatever. Wait, I wonder who hat this is. Okay. Wait, there's an arcade, shops, and a dining room? Sick. I guess we'll go up. Well, I have this weird toilet paper. Great. Okay. A dog! Aww. Do you like cats or dogs better? I like both of them. You guys are great at finding. Yeah, totally. Now for our last item, bring me a golden ticket. 3rd floor. Wait, is that where the arcade is? I don't even care getting it anymore. It's a captain. Haha, I confused this girl. I didn't even mean to. No. Oh no. No. Hey, girl, I helped you find it. Oh, whatever, I'll just collect my money. Cat reserved for captain's dinner later tonight. Okay. Ew. The heck? Maya found it first. Yeah, her. Nice, Maya. Wait, I meant to go in the arcade. I was getting too excited for money. You guys are too good for this. Yeah, duh. Of course, I found all of it, totally. Wait, who's driving the boat? I know it's a captain, but like... Wait, I can see the captain. Hi, captain. Hi, you don't look so, well, you look kind of happy, but I just wanted a red key. What should they want? Okay. Oh, I wasn't even saying eliminate the opposite. Wait, we're playing dodgeball. Winner takes 15 cruise bucks. I guess I'll be on this guy's team. Wait, girl. Yes, girl versus boys. Okay. Come on. Oh no. Oh jeez. Haha, girl power. Haha. Come here, bro. Come here. Oh, that almost hit it. No! No! and that was really fun. It's nighttime already. Yeah, and we get to stay as long as we want. After all that running, you must be starving. Yeah. Ooh, pizza! Oh, but look at all this yummy things. Ooh, ew, gross. I'll take a slice of pizza. Please. Nom nom nom. Oh, yum. Shall we be thirsty? Should we have a? It's getting late. Okay, let's go to bed, I guess. Wait, you. You're, but you don't tell us it's our bedtime, man. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna annoy them and follow them wherever they sleep. Ha, okay, whatever. I'll just leave their door open. Okay. I guess we'll sleep. Yo, you saved your pizza! Yo, that was smart. Bro, I don't want our door open. I want it just me and you. Hi, we can spy on them. Spy on them. No, they're spying on us now. Okay, get to bed, get to bed. I almost forgot. Tomorrow we have dinner with the captain. Make sure to get a good rest. Bro, dinner with the captain? Wait, is the captain even sleep? Like, dude. Does he even sleep? Hey guys, are you awake? I can't sleep. Yeah, well, bro, I'm telling myself to shut up. Why am I talking to myself? Wait, guys, he is right. Bro, I'm not a he, bro. Whatever. Okay. Nothing this good is actually ever free. True. Very true. Wait, what's that? What's that? I don't see anything. What is that? What that, bro? We got guys, look through the window. Is that a ghost ship? We can just close that. Oh no. It's getting way dark. Yeah. Close those curtains. I'm running for dear life. Okay, let me out of my room. Need to tell Jack. Okay. Bro. Jack. Okay. You guys are awake. Yeah, duh. We saw a ghost ship. Do you think, Jack? It was probably that dumb power outage. Jack, we're scared. Well, I'm not that really. Totally not. There was a scary ship in the window, and we think something got inside. Yeah, right. How would that got inside? I'm telling myself that. How? Okay, anyways, I trust you guys. We need to restore the power, so okay. I was trying to open the electric room, but I've lost the key card. Can you help me find the key card? It's on the bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, we're going to the bathroom. Bathroom. Give it. What is that though, bro? Okay. Got the key card. Here, Jack. Take my card. Did she steal my card? Bruh, I gave it to you and it disappeared. Okay, whatever. Can you do me one more favor? I can't go in there. Would you help me? Why can't you go in there, bro? You're the captain. You're gonna make your guests do all the work for you. We could die in here. Worst guy ever, man. Go, go, go. Get the cash. Oh, gosh. Okay, I got that. Let's go back. Okay. 34 bucks. Jack, we saw something in the walls of the bathroom. Yeah, give it back. What the heck was that about? Like, oh my.
Alright guys, it's the end of the video. If you want to see me beat it, we're coming out with a part 2 soon.